Izy no Andriamatoa Marc Ravalomanana, filohan'i Madagasikara. Tao Afrika Atsimo no niaonako voalohany taminy. Voatery nifindra monina tany izy no ny fanonganam-panjakana ny taona 2010.
So, Lot, do you think it is good here to take a photo? Because only me in this chair.
Where would you like to stay?
I want to stay up there.
Zanak'antantsaha izy ary niezaka mafy ny ahatonga ny Madagasikara ho iray amin'ireo voalohany amin'ny famokarana sakafo eran-tany. Lano filoham-pirenena Malagasy izy ny taona 2010 ary mbola voafidy indray tamin'ny salanisa ambony dia ambony ny taona 2010. Niroborobo sy nitombo isan'ny sekoly ary lalana maro dia maro no vita sy namboarina nandritra ny fitondrany. Saingy teo anelanelan'io fotoam-pitondrany faharoa io no nitsangana hanongana azy niaraka tamin'ireo miaramila namany Andriamatoa Andry Rajoelina. Teo dia voatery nanorim-ponenana tao Afrika Atsimo ilay filoha voafidy tamin'ny fomba ara-demokratika Andriamatoa Marc Ravalomanana. Raha Andriamatoa Andry Rajoelina izay nikotrika ny fanonganana kosa no nandray an-tanana ny fitondrana ny Madagasikara.
Are you even having cameras here? Huh?
I'm a filmmaker.
You're a filmmaker?
Yeah.
From where?
I'm from Denmark.
And what is the film going to be about?
It's about the process of returning Ravalomanana.
The return of Ravalomanana.
Okay, okay.
We are going back on Saturday.
This Saturday?
Not
this one, next Saturday?
Yes.
How are we going to go, Mr. President? You're going to book a ticket?
Yes.
You're going to go...
We'll book a ticket.
Okay, because the media, there are lots of media who are going to want to go with you.
Yes,
and I
of
think
course.
that's a good thing for us.
Yeah. But we organize it.
Yeah, okay.
And yes, organize for security.
Yeah, so we need to... Then,
But let's see what the SADC intelligence is saying, or the South African intelligence guys are saying. Yeah? But we need to have somebody to look
Before.
at the possibility for snipers, or the risk for snipers. Oh, we do. That's...
It's your job.
This
It
is
is your job.
This is the main
I don't
risk.
want to hear it. Yeah,
That's
because I'm concerned. It is your job. It's not my...
That's
not
okay.
my, yes.
But then you have to listen to the guys
Exactly.
who's telling you what to
most
do.
important thing is to get you back in the country.
Yes.
Once you're back in the country, everything changes.
Everything change.
Anisan'ireo ny andraikitra ny iray amin'ireo orinasan'ny filoha Andriamatoa James talohan'ny fanonganam-panjakana. Fa eto kosa izy dia iray amin'ireo ekipa miady ho amin'ny Fiverenan ny antandrazana indray.
Ja, jeg gør det. Men der er snart, der er nogen, der skal være her. Som bliver sat i fængsel, hvad så? Så er alle sammen i Madagaskar. Så skal der direkte actionspor her. Så det nytter ikke.
I did my best during the period of presidency, but the result is with this coup. I worked closely with the international community and with the financial institutions like the World Bank, the IMF. They helped me to clean up all the debt of Madagascar. My priority was for the infrastructure, educational reform, rural development. But I didn't put as a priority the military side. We didn't have any border. Madagascar is an island. So it's not normal to spend 30 to 40% of our budget for the military.
C'est reposé?
Oui.
Je reviendrai bientôt à Madagascar. Le colonel Charles,
Oui,
c'est celui qui a fait le coup d'État
oui.
avec André les consorts. Lui, il a fait des révélations. Comment on a organisé le coup d'État, etc., etc. Et le pouvoir de facto de André le consort l'a arrêté et l'a mis en prison pour avoir fait ces révélations. Pour avoir dit la vérité.
I think it would be very interesting to translate it for you, yeah? Because it is, I think, the summary of all the events that happened since 2009.
Oh, but that has
Yeah, and probably it must take some notes. I need to make it as clear as possible, because it's a bit long.
The chief of militia, the former prime minister.
Det er fuldstændig vildt, det der står. General Charles, altså ham, der stod bag kuppet, det er hans confession. A preparatory meeting with a view to carrying out Operation Black Monday was held in 2009. Following decisions were made to recruit big thugs from the slums in order to create a climate of insecurity and trouble spots throughout the country to destabilize and topple the legal government. It is necessary to shed human blood as sacrifice for the success of the coup. Try to tell me how the situation is. Can you do it?
At this time, I don't want to repeat it again, but it was very, very bad, and it was terrified. Me and my wife and my family, they were at the palace, our palace, and then come up in my room, and they point a gun on my front, saying, if you don't dismiss, we will kill you. No, I don't want to repeat it again. Lalo, Antanini Loteo am particularly it was very bad, but ask my wife. She has the courage to tell you.
Were you together in the house? Or?
Yes, we are together, but him is in his office.
Yes.
But me, I'm in the bedroom. And there is someone to tell me, let's go, let's go. I put a casket.
Yeah.
And he put some lamba like this. And when we pass the gate, nobody don't know us.
Okay, I think that's all today.
Okay.
Your ticket, that's fantastic. We're going to hold it up like that.
Like this, or make it like this?
Remember when you hold them up, Mr. President, everybody's going to take a picture. Instead of holding them out there, hold them close to your face.
This one?
Yeah, because then they get the picture of you with your face, you see.
Ah.
Don't hold them too far, hold them quite close to your face, like that. Yeah, okay.
Okay. This is our ticket. I look forward to being home to be with my fellow countrymen and women. True democracy demands nothing less. God bless Madagascar.
The de facto reality is that Brazil is in control of the country. When you arrive, there's a very strong possibility that you will be arrested. How do you expect to lead your dialogue if you're in jail?
The most important thing for me is the aspiration of the democracy. But the democracy burned my heart. Yeah. Hi.
Good afternoon. My name is Guy Oliver. I'm from the IRIN, it's the UN News Service.
It's sometimes said that former powers such as France still wield an unduly strong influence in Madagascar. Is that true?
It is so important France helped Madagascar to get up from this crisis because he played a key role.
What do you think will happen tomorrow? What should we expect? Ella, what do you think?
Hello, bad.
Nothing.
I'm fine, but I'm a little bit stressed. I'm going back tomorrow.
What is your question to him?
Actually, I'm a little bit concerned about, is it dangerous for you, or what could happen? And, I'm thinking, I think you also must be thinking these things.
Yes, you think about this.
Yes.
We talk about this, but he say, God bless us because we will do something good for the country. We don't need the war.
Lord, yes. Don't worry about the arrest. I have to be brave. We have to have this courage to do it, to do so. If they keep me here, I cannot do any more for the politics. That's it. So I have to make a choice. Now, how many years is my rest of my life?
Hvor mange mennesker tror du venter på ham i lufthavnen i Madagaskar?
Et sted mellem 200 og 500.000.
Hvordan skal jeg forholde mig i alt det der?
Du skal slet ikke forholde dig. Du er ikke en del af din mission, eller? Du er privatrejsende. Det vil sige, du er ikke... Du kommer til Madagaskar. Hvis du er heldig, så er der præsidenten med.
There is a problem?
Yeah, it seems like I can't check in at the moment. I'm still waiting for an update. Yeah. Vous commentez en français?
Oui, c'est en français. Yeah. Conformément aux instructions des audieux, apparemment que consorts sont personnels yes. They pretend me to come to Madagascar and they say I'm the person non grata. This is a problem for me. This is a quantity of the people in Madagascar.
Donc, Madagascar, on veut la démocratie totale. On veut la démocratie totale. On n'accepte pas la dictature. Avec tous les coûts de la vie qui montent ici, non, c'est impossible. Le kilo de riz, ça va presque 10 000 francs. C'est impossible pour nous les Malgaches. On veut tout simplement, notre président ancien, c'est Marc Ravalomanana, et we need peaceful. We need peaceful here in Madagascar.
people suffer. They have not a job, they have no money, and yeah, it's really difficult for people. Only those who are in the power now who can take advantage of this situation.
Why is there so many military people?
It's a message for people saying that pay attention, we are here.
Nanomboka teo dia niezaka nifandray tamin'ireo vondrony fampihavanana iraisam-pirenena ny filoha notarian'ny SADC na Sovereign African Development Community. Nojoitan'ny SADC tamin'izany ilay hoe roadmap na ny tondrozotra hitondra ny Madagasikara hivoaka amin'ny krizy. Saingy tsy voasoratra tao kosa ny fiverenan'ny filoha an-tanindrazana.
Have we heard anything, Mr. President, from the roadmap? You haven't heard anything from SADC?
No, I haven't.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, Peter and Jens, I wanted to say clearly, the mediator, they will urge to sign it, but we cannot sign it if they don't allow us to go back in Madagascar.
Yeah, okay.
Andriamatoa Sisano filohan'ny Mozambika teo aloha no nitarika ny SADC tamin'izany. Nampitaina Andriamatoa Ravalomanana taminy ny zony ahafahany mody an-tanindrazana sy ny fandraisany anjara amin'ny fifidianana ho avy.
You can get dirty with honey.
No.
Let me ask someone to open
No, I know
because
it. I know it.
If you have, you should get it in your hands. Oh, you have to break this.
Yes.
You have to break this seal.
Let me do the rest. Because if I get dirty, it's no problem.
No.
This is a difficult time for everybody.
It's your roadmap. See, just said. What a big change.
Yeah, but I think that it will be of no use to raise any discussion about the roadmap now.
The big issue for President Ravalomanana is his return to Madagascar. If we can draw an analogy with a house, President Ravalomanana was chased out of his house.
This is logic.
Yeah.
If there was a logic, we would have solved this problem.
But can I just make the point?
If you want to take out this, because the air conditioning doesn't work.
Okay, thank you. We are asking the President here to show good faith and generosity, but I also expect Rajwell to show good faith and generosity.
He is guilty of having pushed someone out of his house. Okay? But he has got all the weapons which were in that house. He can manipulate, can do, and so on. And he is not alone. There are forces outside and inside with him. Now, but President, yes, what I'm saying is that it's of no use to start discussing the roadmap now.
No, Mr. President, listen to me exactly in positive. Mr. President, you are a mediator. They changed the context of this one.
No.
Yes, this is a big change. From the first version and the second you send it, and this one is big change.
Are you saying that that roadmap is not open for any further discussion or negotiation?
I'm telling you, I swear, that you cannot get any solution in Madagascar by trying to impose anything on the roadmap again.
Yeah, it's up to you. Because you see, as a mediator, you have to listen everybody there. You have to ask me. You called me, I called you.
Now it's too late, you see.
Yeah, if it is too late, that way, okay.
I think it's too late. I'm giving you a way out. Yes.
You said to us when we were in Maputo. When we were in Maputo, we are willing to work together with you.
Okay, let's
I'm not so happy.
You are right.
You see, it's not for me, myself. I can't stay here. But this is a problem for 20 million President.
I don't expect you to be happy because
yes, you see, 20 million people in Madagascar suffering this one.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Very, very upset with him. No, please don't take it film. So Madagascar in this way, eh?
Where?
This way, in this direction.
Yes.
Yes. I miss my country. It's far away from me. They try to tell bad things about Ravalomanana, but Ravalomanana is the only president of Madagascar who had ever done something to improve and to increase the richness of Madagascar. Nobody except him has done what he had done.
Yeah.
Yes. Despite what he has done as wrong.
And what did he do as wrong?
Maybe he take profit of his situation of president to improve his own business. Maybe. But what is good, I think, is that many of his money was invested here in the country. I think that the people feel they have really been helped in their daily life, and they could hope for a better future during him.
Political negotiations aimed at bringing peace to Madagascar have failed. People in Madagascar are openly saying that SADC and its mediator are biased.
I think the time has come after the meeting with Chisano, where he basically said to us, the process is over, get on the bus or miss it.
Or miss it, yeah.
And I think that position is just totally untenable.
Yeah.
So I think that, the gloves are off.
Okay.
And my advice to the president is going to be, now we have to lobby the international community.
Are you afraid of people being aggressive?
Yes, I'm afraid. Don't burn down, don't challenge or to make a revenge. It's not necessary right now. Let me find a way peacefully.
And how will you do that?
So, by communication. We are all responsible for this. So we have to come together and then to work together. This is my strategy, ownership.
Tanteraka ihany anefa avy eo ny fihaonano amin'ny fampihavanana ka dia nizotra ny azo any Botswana izahay hamonjy ny fivoriany SADC.
It's nice, the sunset.
Yes.
Sunset.
Tonga nanatrika izany fivoriana izany avokoa na Andriamatoa Ravalomanana na Andriamatoa Andry Rajoelina niaraka tamin'ireo filoham-pirenena maro mivondrona ao amin'ny SADC, andinika ny tondrozotra.
Bakuli, what do you expect from this meeting with Rajoel?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No. I know what I wish, but I don't know what I can hope.
But as I see it, it's quite important right now.
I hope so.
Yeah, it's not just another meeting.
I hope so.
You hope so, you do. No, but it could go...
I have lost my illusion.
Yeah?
Yes, on diplomatic solution.
Tena no draft négociation zay en position aty abotsona njaza tadavinay hoe apetrony démocratie à Madagascar tena vraie démocratie njaza tadavinay ny président à Madagascar tsy azo divirana tsy azo négociena mihitsy io satria mazava
rapport anao nataonay tao anaty taratasy tao amin'ny ambassade de France important be ny zavatra nafiniteneny taminay dia zao nous vous encourageons izy aller à Gaborone fortement à signer fortement la feuille de route.
miaramila io tsy matsalama tsy dia taka manahirana tsy maintsy atao amizao
io matsaka fidina ianao a disy crise post-électorale izay zany mivéhicule amizareo zany a mafy de mafy hoe teraka guerre civile ndray a
fa ny antony tonga avatsika aty dia tena hitady négociation a tombontsoa ho an'ny vahoaka 20 millions. Oui, président. How are you?
Thank you.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Yes,
How are you?
You're looking well. Thank you.
Yes, I'm still alive.
Yes,
I'm still alive.
Good,
President, thank you for
thank you.
coming in.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much. How's your wife?
Oh, she's well.
No, that's good.
How are you?
I'm
I
very
am
well,
glad to
thank
meet
you.
you. Yeah.
Thank you.
I trust.
Thank you, sir.
Help us to
Yes, we'll
maintain
try our
democracy.
best.
Sure.
We'll try our best.
Okay.
Thank you.
President, thank you so
very
much.
much.
Yeah, thank you. I'm getting
your jacket. Yeah, you get your jacket.
Lord Jesus, thank you very much for having seen us through this day. You have guided us since this morning. Lord, the struggle is not yet over. We know, Lord, that you want President Ravalomanana to go back so that together we can change everybody's mind for the better future for Madagascar.
Your presence here today signifies the desire by all of us for a solution to the problem of the people of Madagascar. This objective can be achieved only if you place the interest of your country above those of individuals' interests.
The extraordinary summit of heads of states and government of the Southern Africa Development Community SADC urges the High Transitional Authority to allow all Malagasy people in exile for political reasons to be allowed to return to the country and condition, including Marco Ravalomanana.
This is the first time that they've said in writing that the president has to go back, and that's what I think is so different. That's what I think is so important about what we do. I think we're going to win now. So I think they can't go back on what they're saying now. So yes, I'm happy. But no, stop.
What happened?
It's good because they made a decision already. The head of state, and they said we must be in Madagascar, and Rajuel must find the way to facilitate it. That's it.
What? So you're allowed to return?
Yes.
What do you think about it?
Oh, this is great. But I wanted to see it first, this decision.
Mr. President, I have no idea if flowers to a man is appropriate, but in Denmark it is.
Yes, in Denmark
Please.
it's okay.
Receive my congratulations, the congratulations from the team.
So, this is the first step. And we will see the next in Madagascar. And hopefully we'll go there this week. Good. Cheers. Cheers. Thank you, Jens. Thank you.
If there's an argument about the president's return, it's SADC's responsibility to ensure that he returns safely, okay?
Les forces de l'ordre, composées de l'armée malagasy, de la gendarmerie nationale et de la police nationale, s'opposent fermement au retour de l'ancien président Marc Ravalomanan pour préserver l'ordre et la sécurité publique. Les forces de l'ordre expriment leur détermination à prendre toutes les dispositions nécessaires dans la mise en œuvre de la présente déclaration.
As a military, you cannot do that. It is wrong. Your duty is to protect the people and their own. This is, and not to involve the political matter. This is wrong, completely wrong.
This is a decision of SADC.
Yes,
It's not.
exactly.
It's not a negotiation. It's a decision.
Instruction.
It's an instruction.
From the States to the mediator.
Yeah.
We trust SADC and the international community, the European Union, the American, said they will wait for the decision from SADC, and this is a decision from SADC.
He's being kept out of the country because of the interests of a small clique of people and a foreign power, and that is just wrong.
For this we'll show you. Yes. Jeg blev ringet op for 2 dage siden, at nu ville de tage hjem på lørdag. På lørdag, det er i morgen. Do we bring any security, guys? No. But isn't that crazy? Yes.
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you all of you for coming, and I hope we have a successful return tomorrow.
Is anyone about security? I think population will be less security.
Who? Population. You know, it's more popular than ever. More popular than ever.
But you know that? Do you know that people will be there?
Famanafana am ratsy, fanao-fanjakana sy ny hery, ary voninahitra mandrakizay. Amen. Amen. Nay, bye-bye dadabe.
Allez, sige, nini tokony ataon'ny papay, babay.
Ay, efa vita. Anao no masina ity?
Why are you going to Madagascar?
I'm going back.
Why?
Can't have to work. Avi?
You expect to be able to take off today? You expect to be able to take off?
Yeah.
8:27 and boarding time will be at 9:15. So is it sure?
Did you speak with anybody in Madagascar? How many people are there?
3 times more than last year. than of February. 3 times more.
Where is the coast of Madagascar? No, look, the coast of Madagascar. Here it will not grow. How is it?
That when we hit the Malagasy airspace, the air traffic controllers advised us that every single airfield in Madagascar was going to be closed for the next 5 to 6 hours. And unfortunately, due to that limited fuel supply, we didn't have the luxury of time. So our only option now is to return back to Johannesburg.
We want to... how can I explain to the people of Madagascar? They are waiting for me. Millions of people at the airport. Welcome us.
We must go back, yeah. Fuel is critical at this moment.
Yeah, no, I understand.
Non seulement qu'il n'est pas fiable, mais qu'un pays ne peut pas être pris en otage par un imbécile.
Are you taking full responsibility for you returning the president of Madagascar back in South Africa? That's all I want to know now. All right, we'll wait here from your colleague. We'll let us know. Thank you. Bye.
Who gave your
Okay, I think this is enough for you.
Okay.
No, we are okay.
Okay, they called me, this reopened the airport.
Yes?
Yeah, it's reopened.
The decision was made, the flight will be cancelled, all right? It's not going back?
They said it's reopened. Can you listen to us?
Okay, we are not going back. This aircraft, I'm not speaking to the captain.
Oh, he's not allowed. No, is he not allowed to speak to the
aircraft is shut down. If you're not disembarking, I'm getting the police to take you off.
Can you get the police?
You are not commandeering our aircraft.
Can you get the police?
You have 5 minutes to disembark.
Can you get the police?
Il a fermé l'aéroport d'Ivat, l'aéroport Tamatave, Majanga, et dans toute l'île. Ça veut dire qu'il n'avait pas la volonté politique de résoudre les problèmes à Madagascar.
To smoke, Pete.
To smoke?
Yes.
Do you smoke?
No. But in such situation...
But Bakuli, do you think we'll get back within a few days, or what is the time perspective?
My opinion. You want my opinion?
Yeah.
So, my opinion, just my opinion. It's not the opinion of the president
No.
of a political party. No, not at all. I think that if we just trust in diplomacy and in legal process, we'll never be back. Never. Never. That's all.
Ravalomanana was expecting to return to Madagascar. Meanwhile, thousands of his supporters were left dissipated in the capital, Antananarivo. Andre Rajoelina's administration has rejected accusations that it denied permission for Ravalomanana's plane to land. Reports say air traffic control records indicate otherwise. Yesterday, events have prompted members of Ravalomanana...
The boss must take decision. About what? About the alternative now. You must, for instance, say directly to people to react more strongly, to refuse these things. He always says, remain quiet, remain peaceful.
The peace initiative is in shatters. I don't think that there will be a democratic sort of outflow and creation of a properly elected new regime. So I think it'll be a disaster.
Eto dia mbola nitsesitany ny filoha raha niroso tamin'ny fifidianana kosa ny firenena malagasy. Tsy nisy afaka ndrotsaka na Andriamatoa Ravalomanana na Andriamatoa Andry Rajoelina.
They made so many communique, but no action. This is the story of my country and my life. It's not so easy, it's very sad. Thank you. That's all.
Thank you.
Hallo? Hej Jens, hvad fanden er du skriver?
Præsidenten er taget tilbage til Malagasy.
Hvad?
De har arresteret ham.
Nej. Look. Look.
So
because they think President is there.
They think so.
They think so, and they shoot it and do like this. 60 military. Some is around there, here, there, and after it, they shoot my door there and they give this.
So what did you do?
No, we don't do nothing. We stay like this. And they come and the president said, I'm here. And they say, come.
I really admire both of you. It's with risk to do this.
Doesn't matter, Lord. Because no long time you see the what is this, the bad life. No, risk is risk is nothing for us. No risk. Because if you are scared for risk, it means you accept what they do for you.
Namoy ny anabaviny ny filoha. Ny hevitry Ramatoa Ravalomanana fa tokony ho afaka hanatrika ny fandevenana ny anabaviny ny filoha.
Fotoana ihany koa irisoana amin'ny fampihavana pirenena. Fa androany kosa mba tsy hisian'ny conflit na hevitra mifandingandingana dia tsy mamaly anareo androany aloha. Zay no hoentsika ambavaka mba hodisoma tsara ty atokantrano izy.
Hello, Lot. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
I'm so happy to see you.
We're so happy to have you. Yeah. Sorry about the death of my sister. But I'm coming.
My confidence.
Yeah. Thank you.
Fine.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, Lot.
See you.
Yeah, see you.
It is to destroy his popularity that they decided to keep him in exile during 5 years.